How should you begin your Arabic studies, and what is the right starting place for you? In this third and final video in our series, we'll be discussing my top recommendations that I believe are essential for every Arabic student. And I'll be walking you through the decision-making process to decide which path is right for you. And if you'd like more information on the difference between formal and spoken Arabic or the pros and cons of studying different dialects, check out the links in the description box below. Let's start by walking through the decision-making process to determine which type of Arabic you should start with in your studies. The first thing I want you to do is think big picture about what stage of life you're in. Are you planning to make Arabic your career? Do you have access to specialized resources like courses, university programs, textbooks, or paid tutors? Or is this more of a hobby for you? Are you planning to travel to an Arabic-speaking country? Are you studying on your own or with limited access to specialized resources? And the second thing I want you to think about is what is most important to you in terms of what you want to do with the language. Is it important to you just to be able to speak with people? Or is it important to you to be able to read and write and engage intellectually with the Arabic language in the written word? If you are intending to make Arabic your career and you have access to specialized instruction through university programs, courses, textbooks, or tutors, and your desire is to really be able to read and write and have a wide range of skills in Arabic, then Modern Standard Arabic should form the baseline of your studies. And as you progress, or alongside of Modern Standard Arabic, you can add in additional elements like a dialect. On the other hand, if you're not as interested in developing such a full range of skills in Arabic, and what you really want is the practical ability to speak and communicate with people, then dialect is going to be the best starting place for you. One great benefit of studying dialect is that it enables you to form an immediate connection with people as you learn to speak to them, and that's something that's really valuable and rewarding in a language learning program. Another benefit is that you can find a lot of free resources and you can be creative about the ways that you learn dialect, and it's much more difficult to do that when you're studying Modern Standard Arabic. If you don't yet know which dialect you want to study, we discussed this in our previous video, so check out the link in the description box below. And now I have a top recommendation that will apply to all Arabic students, including dialect students, regardless of what dialect you're studying. Before you begin your studies of a dialect, or while you're beginning your studies of a dialect, I highly recommend that every student learns how to read and write the Arabic script and numbers 1 through 10. This holds true for all students, even if you don't plan on reading any Arabic books and all you want to do is be able to speak in the language. The first reason this is important is related to correct pronunciation. There are more sounds and letters in Arabic than there are in English. If your eyes are relying on English letters to pronounce Arabic words, you're going to make a lot of pronunciation mistakes, and it's going to be hard to pick up on the nuances of the way the words should be pronounced. And the second reason I recommend that all students learn how to read and write the letters and numbers is because it's a basic survival skill if you're going to be traveling to the Middle East or living there for any significant period of time. Remember that the street signs will be written in Arabic, your plane tickets will be written in Arabic, your business cards people give you, contact information, all of that will likely be written in Arabic. And you're going to want to be able to communicate with people by writing down your phone number or any basic information that you need to exchange. And this is going to give you a lot more confidence in navigating the Middle East without having to rely on technology or other people who might give you incorrect information. So if you just make sure you have the baseline skill of knowing what the letters look like, how they connect to one another, and some basic numbers, you will go so far in gaining competence and confidence in living in the Middle East. So, do you agree with me? Are there other factors that you think someone should consider when making this choice? Let me know in the comments section below and give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new.